This is a big hit for us, folks. You can buy it on our compact disc, also available on Spotify. Our compact disc, Ted, I'm sure all these fine young people have compact disc players. And you can also stream it on Spotify, and we don't get paid. It's great. This one's called Walk Between the Raindrops.
You've got to walk between the raindrops. Walk between the raindrops. Always keep a smile upon your face. Walk between the raindrops. Smile through all the teardrops. If you want to make this world a happy place. Well, I've had my share of sorrow, but no more than any man. And when I get in trouble, well, I'll do the best that I can to make the most of the situation. No matter what goes wrong, I tell myself the words to this song. Just walk between the raindrops. I walk between the raindrops. Whatever has a matter, it matters not. You just walk between the raindrops. Smile through all the teardrops. Put on your mask, and life is but a trot. A pandemic? No problem. Life is good, isn't it? Who knows what will await you? You can only do your best. When your left arm is going numb and a ventilator is in your chest,